Doge looked down one day. Cannot see paws, only belly. Big, round, fluffy belly. Such round, very chonk. Slowly, without noticing, Doge get fat. Now, Doge feels slow, tired, and sad. But good news, Doge can fix. Doge get fat for simple reason. Doge eat more than Doge burn. Every food have energy called calories. When Doge eat more than body use, body store rest as fat. Modern world make this very easy. Processed food engineered to make Doge eat more than he need. Much sneaky. Very trap. Fat is not just stored energy. Fat is hormonally active tissue. Too much fat raise estrogen and lower testosterone. Make Doge more tired, more emotional, more fat. Vicious cycle. Very bad loop. Belly fat wrap around organs and cause inflammation. Doge must fix before it get worse. 1. Calorie deficit. Eat slightly less than body burn each day. Not starve. Just 300 to 500 calories less. Lose fat slowly and keep off forever. 2. Eat whole natural food. Meat, eggs, vegetables, fruit, rice. Such full. Very satisfied. 3. Resistance training. Muscle burn calories even when Doge rest. Lift weights 3 times per week. 4. Walk every day. 10,000 steps burn calories without destroying energy. Easy. Low effort. Very effective. 5. Sleep well. Poor sleep raise cortisol and hunger hormone. Doge, who sleep bad, eat 300 more calories next day. Sleep is secret weapon. Eat less than you burn. Eat whole food. Lift weights. Walk daily. Sleep well. If Doge do this, one day Doge look down and see paws again and think, wow, such slim, very fit Doge, much accomplish. Stay Doge.